Hi there, hi. What's Buzzy? As usual, I am not alone. Just look over my shoulder there. Yeah, can you believe it? It's an owl. There are over 200 different types of owls. Owls are nocturnal animals, which means that they sleep in the day and they wake up at night. Owls eat small animals like mice and rats and lizards, and some even eat fish. Owls have very powerful claws to catch their prey. Owls can turn their heads almost all the way around without turning their bodies. Can you believe that? Just look and you will find special things in your world. But be careful and be kind to special things in your world. Look around and you'll have fun with special things in your world. But take care of the planet, 'cause we only have one. Whoa, here he comes. Oh, that was close.